I'm using some old silt fabric that I had to cover up the footing drain here. It's draining to daylight to prevent any of the fines from going in and clogging up the works. What I'm working on here is running a line down my roof line, this piece of twine here, and then I'm going to kind of come up with a story pole to figure out the height of my posts for the portico. Well, I just climbed up in that bucket and I was able to draw the string out along the two top plates of the existing frame here and then make a mark on my story pole, and off that mark I can measure down the pier and figure out the height of the post that I need. So that's what I'm doing with that. Today's the day that the old dinosaur lumbers off to another job. My friend Steve Olson, I thank you so much. This thing has been unbelievable. It's put in my driveway, dug the trench for the frost wall, got my septic system, all kinds of stuff. I couldn't have built these huge retaining walls without this thing. It can lift everything. It doesn't hesitate. It's incredible technology. So it will be missed, but it's good that it's going on to help other people dig other holes. So au revoir, my ancient yellow friend. 176 on the low side. $141.5. well, really old, some 8x8s that I milled with Billy, and probably he just milled back in 2014, 15. And they're really nice and dry. They're going to be the last pieces of the roof system of the portico, so I got to take them over to Steve's mill so I can shave off 2 inches off one side and make them taper down to 6 inches from an 8x8 to an 8x8 by 8x6. So, well, that wasn't too horrible then, was it? Well, got some more lumber for the house, and got the rest of my wood cut for the portico, so on we go. I'm hoping that heart rot doesn't go too far into it. I don't think it does. We'll see, won't we?